How to fix Adobe InDesign for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Adobe InDesign on a Mac using a script file, you can follow these steps. Note, for starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide. 1. Open TextEdit or your preferred text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following commands into the text editor, #bin/bash #uninstall Adobe InDesign sudo rmrf/application/Adobe InDesign CC version.app. sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe InDesign CC version sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/extension manager CC/mstore/InDesign/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/extension manager CC/extension/InDesign/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/extension manager CC/inventory/InDesign/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/extension manager CC/override/InDesign/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/plugin/cc/file format/InDesign/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/plugin/cc/TypeSpt/InDesign/sudo rmrf/library/caches/Adobe InDesign version sudo rmrf/library/preferences/Adobe InDesign version sudo rmrf/library/logs/Adobe/InDesign version sudo rmrf/user/shared/Adobe/InDesign version sudo rmrf/user/your username/library/preferences/Adobe InDesign version sudo rmrf/user/your username/library/caches/Adobe InDesign version sudo rmrf/user/your username/library/application support/Adobe InDesign CC version ins. 1. Replace version with the version number of the Adobe InDesign that you want to uninstall, such as 16.04 InDesign CC 2022. 2. Replace your username with your actual username on the computer. 3. Save the file with the name and the .sh extension, such as uninstall_InDesign.sh. 4. Open terminal. 5. Navigate to the directory where the script file is saved using the cd command. 6. Make the script file executable by running the command mod +x uninstall_InDesign.sh. 7. Run the script file by entering /uninstall_InDesign.sh and follow any prompts that appear.